Balaji Computer Services. We deal in all types of
First thing that
computer
comes to mind when you
accessories.
hear the term computer. Is it the Old Testament gods with lots of rules and no mercy? Or the masters of technology that automate errors with high speed and accuracy? Whether it's about making billions of calculations in a second or getting details on various worldly affairs, they have become the decisive, versatile machine. With their use, life has become simpler and smarter. But things don't always fall into place like we expect. And various threats like bugs, viruses, malware, etc. can make the alarm bells ring. And what's the nastiest thing? Computers can break down at any given point of time due to unknown technical glitches. Just imagine, you are working on an important project and your computer screen turns dark, or its processing speed has become as slow as a snail. The end result of it, all your hard work vanishes within a second, and your dreams are completely shattered. Gosh, that's truly petrifying. Yes, it is. It happens to millions of people every day, and unfortunately I was one of them. An official project that I had been working on for a whole month was left in tatters due to a hardware failure. Honestly, that was a big setback, and I didn't know what to do. But as they say, life is a bunch of pleasant surprises. While I was having coffee in a nearby cafe, my friends told me about this computer repair center where I live. They told me that it could solve all my problems with complete precision. So, I decided to use their services and told them about my lost project. And you know what? They didn't let me down. They restored my lost data and even helped me to recover almost the complete project, which was great. I was surprised with their proficiency. Hats off to them. And this is just the beginning, my friends. They provide a variety of services like screen and keyboard replacements. Transform your broken equipment into a whole new computer with this supreme service. Data backup and transfers. Fast recovery and transfer of data is one of their specialties. System security testing. Need a completely secure system? They make it possible for you with the latest techniques. Antivirus installation. Don't be concerned about viruses or bugs. Their antivirus services keep your computer safe and protected. Hardware and software installation. Upgrade your PC with the best hardware and software with the help of skilled technicians. Networking services. Connect all of your devices through a robust home network with high-class networking systems. No matter how complicated your computer problem is, they handle it with the utmost care, sincerity, and dedication. Now, what are you still waiting for? Get up and call them now to get the best service. Rest assured, your devices are in safe and secure hands with them.